In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check ledger in Zoho Books. The general ledger is the heartbeat of your accounting system. It lists every debit and credit recorded in each account, and it's the place you go when you want a complete, reliable picture of what happened during a period. Let's walk through how to find it quickly and view it for the dates you care about. Once you're signed into your Zoho Books organization, start on the main screen. Look to the left side navigation panel and open the Reports section. This takes you to a page that groups all of your available reports. If you don't see it right away, scroll the panel a bit. Reports is typically below modules like sales and purchases. Click it to proceed. On the Reports page, scroll through the list until you see the General Ledger report. Depending on your edition, it may appear under an accounting or accountant category. Don't worry if there are many reports on your account. A slow, steady scroll is fine here. When you spot General Ledger, open it. That brings up a detailed view designed to show totals by account and the underlying activity for the period you choose. Before you start reviewing numbers, set the period you want to analyze. At the top of the General Ledger report, use the date range control to pick a preset such as this month or last month, or switch to a custom range if you're investigating a specific window of time. Choose your start and end dates and apply the filter. The report will refresh and display debit totals, credit totals, and the resulting balance for each account in that period. If you're reconciling or preparing statements, match the range to your bank or reporting cycle to keep things consistent. For troubleshooting, a shorter window, like a single week or a single day, often makes anomalies easier to spot. As you scroll through the results, read the columns from left to right and watch the balances. Large swings usually point you to the accounts that deserve a closer look. If your organization uses roles and permissions, you'll only see the data you're allowed to view, which is normal. And that's it. To check the ledger in Zoho Books, head to Reports, open General Ledger, and set the date range that fits your needs. Take your time with the numbers, and you'll have a clear, dependable view of your books for any period you choose.